How to fix Telegram verification code not sending. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix the Telegram SMS code not sending. So the first thing you want to do is try to enter your country code and then enter your phone number, tap on next, and it's going to send you the verification code if your number is valid. But if you're not able to get it, then long press on your Telegram application and tap on the I button. Once here, you want to go over directly and force stop the app. So what it does is if you tap on OK, it's gonna completely stop the background activities and requests going on with your app. So if you requested a new code, it will completely cut it off, and then you can try to request another one. Then what you can do is go to storage and then tap on clear cache. Go over to data and you can clear your data if you want as well. So once you have done that, go over to permission. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed, especially the phone and contact option, which will then help you get your verification code. Once that is done, you can restart your device and try to resend the verification code. If none of that works, you can go over to your Google Play Store and then search for Telegram X. So go ahead and search for Telegram X, install this, and try to log in using Telegram X. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.